Hi, hello everybody, welcome to my channel. If you subscribe with my channel, like, share and comment. If you didn't subscribe with my channel, subscribe right now. Let's get started. Basic English grammar, géant Idiomas. You can visit my website www.jeanfidiomas.com.br. Let's get started. Okay, using have and has. Have é o verbo ter. Has é o verbo ter. Conjugado. I have a butterfly. I have a butterfly. I have, eu tenho. I have a butterfly. Repeat after me. I have a butterfly. Repeat. I have a butterfly. Eu tenho. Ok, singular, plural. Let's go. Using have and have. I have a book. Eu tenho um livro. You have a book. Você tem um livro. She has a book. Ela tem um livro. She has. Not she has. She has a book. He has a book. It has a red cover. Okay? Singular. Repeat after me. Repeat after me. Repeat after me. I have a book. You have a book. She has a book. He has a book. It has a red cover. Repeat. I have a book. Eu tenho um livro. You have a book. Você tem um livro. She has a book. Ela tem um livro. He has a book. It has a red cover. It has a red cover. She, feminino. He, feminino. Pessoa. It, para animal, objeto. Masculino ou feminino. Singular. Ok? Um cachorro, um gato. É? It. Plural. We have books. É? Plural. Plural. É? I have a book. Singular. We have books. We cannot use a. Okay? In plural. Plural. We have books. You have books. You have a book. Singular. Singular. Você tem. You have books. Vocês têm livros, ok? You have books. Plural. They have books. They have books. They have books. Eles têm livros. Plural. We have. You have. They have. We can use they for people, animals, or things. Plural. Você pode usar they para pessoa, animal, objetos. Plural. Ok? Um grupo de cachorro. They. Um grupo de gato. They. Um grupo de livros. They. Um grupo de pessoa. They. Ok? Plural. Let's go. Using have and has. I, you, we, they. I have. You have. We have. They have. I, you, we, they. Plus have. She. He. It. Terceira pessoa do singular. She, he, it. She para mulher. He para homem, garoto. She para garota. It para animal, objeto. Masculino ou feminino. Singular. Okay? She has. He has. It has. Repeat. She has. She. He, it has. Okay? I, you, we, they, plus have. She, he, it, plus has. Okay. Let's practice. Has or have. James. James, terceira pessoa do singular. James has a new desk. James has a new desk. James é uma pessoa, terceira pessoa do singular. Has. Okay. Dogs. Dogs, plural. Dogs have 4 feet. 4 feet. Cachorros têm 4 pés. Dogs have 4 feet. The girl, terceira pessoa do singular. The girl has a cold. The girl has a cold. Has a cold. The girl, terceira pessoa do singular. Has. You have a special grammar book. You have a special grammar book. You have. I, you, we, they have. He, she, it has. You have a special grammar book. If you liked my video, click on I like to support my channel. See you soon for a next video.